Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the kitchen to create something special, cucumber delightful rolls with sweet red bean filling. Let's jump right in. First, slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces and toss them into the blender. Add a splash of milk and blend until you've got that refreshing cucumber milk juice. Now, filter out any leftover bits. In a mixing bowl, combine rice flour, cornstarch, sugar, and a drizzle of oil with the cucumber milk. Stir it up until it's smooth and lump-free. Pass this lovely mixture through a filter into a microwave-safe container. Cover it up with some plastic wrap, poke a few tiny holes, and pop it into the microwave for 4 minutes. After this steaming session, use a scraper to stir and cool the cucumber dough. Once it's safe to handle, dust it with a bit of cornstarch and knead until it's delightfully non-sticky. Shape it into these cute little stripes, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Roll out that rice dough, lay down a line of sweet red bean filling, and roll it up. And there you have it, cucumber delightful rolls with sweet red bean filling, ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a whirl and drop me a comment on how it turns out. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.